Welcome to my channel Learn with Dr. Shweta.
Basic versus advanced English words. Happy, elated. Sad, melancholy. Angry, furious. Big, enormous. Small, minute. Smart, astute. Scared, petrified. Fast, swift. Slow, sluggish. Tired, exhausted. Rich, wealthy. Poor, impoverished. Funny, hilarious. Hard, challenging. Easy, effortless. Old, ancient. New, recent. Beautiful, gorgeous. Ugly, hideous. Clean, spotless. Dirty, filthy. Strong, robust. Weak, frail. Bright, luminous. Dark, gloomy. Hot, scorching. Cold, freezing. Tasty, delicious. Bad, atrocious. Good, excellent. Happy, jubilant. Brave, courageous. Quick, rapid. Tired, fatigue. Help, assist. Begin, commence. End, terminate. Stop, cease. Build, construct. Destroy, demolish. Buy, purchase. Sell, vend. Use, utilize. Show, demonstrate. Think, ponder. Understand, comprehend. Ask, inquire. Answer, respond. Find, discover. Lose, misplace. Help, aid. Say, declare. Talk, converse. Walk, stroll. Run, sprint. Jump, leap. Look, gaze. Watch, observe. Smell, fragrance. Taste, flavor. Hear, listen. Cry, weep. Laugh, chuckle. Love, adore. Thank you for watching, and for more such contents, please subscribe to my channel Learn with Dr. Shweta.